Hello, in this video, I will explain about the instruments that used in the article. So, first is performance assessment. Performance assessment is a method of evaluating an individual's abilities, skills, or knowledge by observing and analyzing their actual performance in real-world situations. It's typically used to assess how well someone can apply their skills or knowledge to practical tasks or scenarios. Here's how performance assessment can be used as a quantitative research instrument. So first is clear criteria and scoring. To make it quantitative, you need to establish clear and specific criteria for evaluating performance. For example, if you're assessing writing skills, you could have criteria like grammar, vocabulary usage, coherence, and organization. Each criterion is assigned a numerical value. Second is standardization. To ensure consistency in evaluation, you should standardize the assessment process. This includes providing clear instructions to readers or evaluators and possibly even training them to minimize subjectivity in scoring. The third is data collection. During the performance assessment, data is collected in a systematic manner. For example, if you're assessing writing, you might assign scores, quantitative values, to different aspects of the written work based on the established criteria. And the fourth, statistical analysis. Once you have collected the data, scores, or quantitative measurements, you can use statistical analysis techniques to analyze the results. This might involve calculating average, percentages, correlations, or other statistical measures to quantify the participants' performance. Okay, next is comparison and generalization. Quantitative analysis allows you to make comparison between different groups or individuals. For instance, you can compare the performance of students who received certain types of training with those who did not. You can also make generalization about the overall performance of a larger population based on your sample. And the last is validity and reliability. To ensure that the performance assessment is a robust quantitative instrument, you should establish its validity, whether it measures what it's supposed to, and reliability, consistency of results over time and across evaluators. Okay, in summary, performance assessment can be turned into a quantitative research instrument by defining clear criteria, standardizing the assessment process, collecting quantitative data, and applying statistical analysis techniques to draw meaningful conclusions about individuals or group performance. It's a valuable tool for research in fields like education, psychology, and performance evaluation. Okay, second instrument is analysis on the listening comprehension. The instrument used in this research have the following benefits for a quantitative approach. First is measurement structure. Bilingual teacher knowledge surveys provide a good structure for measuring respondents' knowledge and skills in various aspects, such as subject matter expertise, English proficiency, and pedagogical knowledge. A Likert scale consisting of 20 questions allows structured data collection. Okay, second is quantitative data collection. The survey produces data in the form of numbers that can be added up, calculated, and analyzed quantitatively. This allows researchers to identify change or patterns in respondent knowledge and skill before and after the implementation of bilingual instruction. Okay, the third is comparison. Surveys administered before and after the implementation of bilingual instruction allow for direct comparisons, allow researchers to propagate the impact in a measurable way. And the last, replication. This survey can be repeated and applied to a wider population if necessary, allowing replication of the study to verify the results. So, in summary, quantitative research provides a structured and objective approach to data collection and analysis, which can yield precise, generalizable, and replicable results, making it valuable for studying the impact of bilingual instruction on language expert subject teacher, or LESTS, in the research context. Okay, the third is corpus-based. Corpus-based analysis involves using linguistic data from a corpus to inform various aspects of the research instrument. It involves using large collection of text data or corpora to improve the development and validation of research instruments like surveys and questionnaires. This approach enhances instrument quality in several ways. First, content validation ensures questions accurately measure intended concepts by analyzing language patterns in the corpus. Second, item generation develops new questions based on language found in the corpus. Third, translation and adaptation helps maintain instrument meaning across languages and cultures. Fourth, stemming and item reduction identifies common language elements to streamline and improve instrument reliability. And the last, cross-cultural analysis ensures instrument consistency across diverse populations. Overall, corpus-based analysis enhances instrument validity and reliability by grounding them in real-world language usage. Okay, fourth, the instrument is mixed methods. A mixed methods approach in quantitative research combine both quantitative and qualitative methods to provide a deeper understanding of research questions. It can be used to develop research instruments by gathering qualitative insights, pilot test instruments for clarity and relevance, validate instruments through qualitative analysis, enhance interpretation by using qualitative data to explain quantitative results, inform policy and practice by offering a holistic view of research topic. In essence, mixed methods enrich quantitative research instruments and their findings by incorporating qualitative perspectives and insights. Okay, the fifth instrument is examination papers. Examination papers in quantitative research aim to assess your understanding of quantitative research methods, statistical analysis, research design, and your ability to apply these concepts to practical scenarios. It's important to review course materials, practice with sample questions, and thoroughly understand key concepts to perform well in such exam. Examination papers in quantitative research offer several benefits. First, assessment of knowledge. They assess students' comprehension of quantitative research concepts, methodologies, and statistical techniques. And second, application of concepts. Examination questions require students to apply theoretical knowledge to practical research scenarios. And the third, critical thinking. They encourage critical thinking by presenting complex problems and asking students to analyze and solve them. Fourth, evaluation skills. Students learn to evaluate the appropriateness of statistical tests, research design, and data collection methods. 5. Skill development. Exams help in honing data analysis skills, including statistical calculation and interpretation. 6. Time management. Examination trains students in time management, a valuable skill for conducting research efficiently. 7. Standardized assessment. They provide a standardized way to assess students' understanding of quantitative research, ensuring fairness and consistency. Next is preparation for research careers. Exam prepare students for future research endeavors where quantitative skills are often essential. And the last is accountability. They hold students accountable for their learning, motivating them to study and understand the subject matter. Okay, in summary, examination papers play a crucial role in assessing, reinforcing, and enhancing students' knowledge and skill in quantitative research, making them an integral part of the educational process in this field. Okay, the sixth instrument is questionnaire surveys. Questionnaire surveys are common and valuable method in quantitative research for collecting data. Questionnaire surveys offer several benefits in quantitative research. First, efficient data collection. Questionnaire surveys allows researchers to collect data from a large number of participants efficiently and simultaneously. Second is standardization. Surveys provide a standardized way to collect data, ensuring that all participants receive the same set of questions in the same format. 3. Quantitative data. Questionnaire surveys generate quantitative data, which can be analyzed using statistical methods. Fourth, large sample sizes. Surveys can be administered to a sizable sample, enhancing the statistical power of the study and increasing the likelihood of generalizable findings. Okay, next, objective measurement. Responses in questionnaire surveys are typically structured and quantifiable, reducing subjectivity and bias in data collection. Anonymity. Participants often have the option to remain anonymous, which can encourage more honest responses, particularly for sensitive topics. And next is cost-effective. Compared to other data collection methods, like interviews or observation, questionnaire surveys are often more cost-effective, especially when conducted online. Okay. The 8th, accessibility. Surveys can be administered through various channels, including in person, by mail, via email, or on web-based platforms, making them accessible to a wide range of participants. And the last, versatility. Questionnaire surveys can be adapted to various research purposes, from assessing customer satisfaction to measuring psychological traits or studying public opinion. Overall, questionnaire surveys are a valuable tool in quantitative research because they offer a structured, efficient, and standardized way to collect a large amount of quantifiable data from diverse populations, facilitating the study of various phenomena and the drawing of meaningful conclusions. Okay, the 7th instrument is comprehensive analysis. Comprehensive analysis in quantitative research is through a meticulous process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting quantitative data. Its purpose is to gain a deep and comprehensive understanding of the phenomena or relationships being studied. Its usefulness in quantitative research is as follows. First, ensuring accurate data. Comprehensive analysis helps ensure that the collected data is genuinely relevant and accurate. So, number 2, rigorous hypothesis testing. Comprehensive analysis allows researchers to conduct rigorous and thorough hypothesis testing, which helps examine relationship between variables more accurately. Third, in-depth result interpretation. The results of comprehensive analysis are interpreted in depth, and researchers strive to understand the implications of their findings thoroughly. And the last, supporting strong generalizations to large. With comprehensive analysis, research has a stronger basis for making valid generalizations to larger populations or phenomena. Therefore, comprehensive analysis in quantitative research is an essential approach that ensures the accuracy, validity, and utility of research findings. And the last instrument is bilingual instruction. Bilingual instructions refer to teaching or learning conducted in 2 or more languages. It can refer to a method in which lesson material are taught and understood in more than one language. Its use usefulness in quantitative research can be as follows. Access to richer data. In quantitative research, there may be relevant data sources in various languages. Second, better engagement of participants. If the research involves participants who speak different languages, bilingual instruction can help communicate with them more effectively. And the third, improved validity and reliability. Using bilingual instruction can help ensure that research instruments such as questionnaires or interviews, translations, and adaptation are valid and reliable across different language contexts. However, it's important to note that the use of bilingual instruction in quantitative research also requires attention to proper translations methods, instrument testing, and specific considerations related to language and culture. This is done to ensure that data obtained from respondents speaking different languages remain valid and can be compared accurately. So that's all from me. Thank you.